Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Motorola Moto E6s. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Inside try to find Microsoft Edge. Now select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Now we can customize the browser, so sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. Here you can accept or disagree with the data sharing preferences. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. Go for the browser app and here pick the Edge. Go back. And from here your browser should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.